Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Technology YouTube channel. So as we all know that there are 59 popular apps which have been banned in India. So presently it is not available in the Play Store. So today in this video I am going to discuss of the top 10 apps so which are not available in India, and also I will share you the alternative apps for that app. So for example, like TikTok, UC Browser, ES File Explorer, Hello App and Cam Scanner. These are popular apps which are using now in our country. So in this video I am going to show you the best alternative apps for this. So this all the apps are available in India which I am showing the alternative for them. So before going to the video, please just subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel, and watch the full video. And if you have any doubts related to this, you can comment down below. And also there is a giveaway going on in our channel. There is an YouTube premium membership for the 6 months, friends. So if you want to get the code, so for the 6 months, just you can watch our previous video. I will give the link in the description. Just go through that and you can get chance to win the YouTube premium membership for the 6 months. Now let's get into the topic. So first app is TikTok, friends. So there is an Indian app so which is alternative for the TikTok. So the app name is Chingari. So it is made in India, and as you can see here, short video app. So it is having the huge downloads within the 10 days. It got the more than 5 lakhs downloads, friends. So it is the best alternative for us. So if you are a TikTok user, if you want to get an Indian app, this is the best app. So as you can see here, so the version and all, the downloads and all, so the ratings also is the good, friends. So you can download this app and you can use it. So the next alternative for the TikTok is Dubsmash. So we all know that the Dubsmash, so it is the best app for the TikTok. So you can use this app also. And the third app is, friends, Rupazo. So if you want to use the TikTok, so this is an alternative app and it is an Indian owned video app. So you can use it. So once you can install it, so all the apps are available in India, and also it is available in the Play Store, friends. So you can just search the name, so which and all I am telling now. So and the second one is UC Browser. So we will use the UC Browser as common use, so for the browsing anything. So first option is Brave Private Browser. So it is the safest browser and the best browser. So as you can see here, the interface, so it is exactly work as the UC Browser, and it is safe and private, friends. So you can use this. So it have the nice rating also, so as you can see here, and it is also having the nice download. So you can download this app. And the second alternative and the other alternative is Kiwi Browser. So it is also best browser. So I will also suggest this browser. And also the third alternative is Google Chrome. Basically we will use the Google Chrome. If you don't want to view any ads like that, so it is better to use Kiwi Browser. So you won't get any ads. So in the Chrome browser we will get we will get the ads. So and the third app is UC News. So we will basically use the UC News for the news. So I will suggest in the UC News, Google News is the best news, friends. So basically what these sub apps will do is just they will collect the news from your Google News only. So it is the top one. So you can check the downloads and all. This is the best alternative for the UC News. And the fourth app is ShareIt and Zender. So we will commonly use the ShareIt and the Zender. So FilesGo is the best app, friends, for the ShareIt, and the alternative for you will get the ad free, friends. So this app is ad free. So it is developed by the Google. And the other alternative is GeoSwitch. So it is also the no ads. It doesn't contain any ads, friend, and it is secured, and it is developed by the Reliance company Geo, what we are using. And also the fifth app is ES File Manager. So for the ES File Manager, you can use the files, Google Files. So as you can see here, it is the best alternative for the sharing and for the sharing the apps as well as managing the apps. You can use for the both, friends. So this app is developed by the Google, and you will not get any ad in this app. So it is the faster. And the other option is File Commander. So this is also best app to manage your files. If you want, you can check it out. So it is the best app, and you can get the free cloud also. So another app is Hello. So basically we will use an Hello. So here we will share the post and videos and all. So the best alternative is Snapchat. So it is developed by the Bangalore persons. So it is in Bangalore developers. So here it is made in India. So it is the best app for the Hello app for Snapchat. Snapchat is the best app, and the another seventh app is Cam Scanner. So basically, friends, we will use the Cam Scanner for the scanning the document purpose. So basically Cam Scanner, so it is banned. So best alternative apps is Microsoft Office Lens. So you can scan the PDF files and you can use this. So as you can see here, it is also one of the best apps, friends. So you can it is having the more options more than the Cam Scanner. So once you can install it and you can check it. So another app is Clean Master. So we will use to clean the junk files, we will commonly use some apps like Clean Master. So to clean any junk files you can use this app, friends, Norton Cleaner. So it is also one of the best apps where you can install, and it is for ad free, and also it will not display any ad, and you can clean your phone. So another app is Parallel Space. Basically for the common nowadays we don't need any Cam Scanner. For the stock Android users we need a Parallel Space. So basically, friends, Shelter is a best app for you can clone it. So we will get in MI and all another phones, we will get commonly without stock Android, we will getting the cloning inbuilt. So you can use that, or else if you are using the stock you can use this app Shelter, or else I have another alternative called Clone app. So and the next app is 10th app, Vivo Videos. So Vivo Videos we will use for the best app for previously we are using. Presently it is not available in India. So first option is I will suggest Vita. So it is the best app to create videos. So you can use this app, or else you have another apps Quick. So you can edit the free videos and you can add the clips and you can add the music. So if you want to go some premium, friends, if you want to edit the video, I will really suggest you to use the KineMaster. So as you can see here, it is also available for the free. You can download it, but you will get a watermark. So here, friends, you will get this is a best alternative for you. So just you can download it, and if you want to premium some things you can buy it. So it is the best app. So I will also use this app. So and the other one is Power Director. So this is also the best alternative for the Viva app. So you can edit all the videos here over here. So as you can see here how it looks. So you can all the apps what I'm saying, all are available in Play Store. Just you can search the name and you can get this app. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members. Share this video with at least one friend and share this information, friends. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video.